How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Blake Check. If you're new to the channel, you join us on a super special day. This is my wife, Jessica, and this is my Tesla Model 3 Performance Stealth Edition. This channel is all about EVs, but this video is all about a new announcement that I want to share with all of you. If you've been following me on Twitter, then you already know we're pregnant. Yay! Now, to follow that up, we thought what better way to share the sex of our baby than with some Tesla donuts. So we're out here in the middle of Mexico. We're going to spin the car around. We already know the sex of the baby, but stay tuned to find out. All right, as you guys could probably tell, the smoke bombs didn't work exactly the way that I had hoped. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in right here for you guys. If you didn't see the color reveal, they're blue because we're having a boy. But that's all we've got for you for today. Thanks for watching this far into the video. If you liked what you saw, leave me a like. And if you're a parent, leave me all the tips and advice that you possibly can. I am open to all suggestions. But that's all we've got for you for today. Thanks for watching. This has been Blake Check, and that's a wrap.